And the ongoing tussle between the centre and the Mamata Banerjee government has once again, it looks to intensify over the vaccine certificate. Now, what's happened is that certificates for vaccination of 18 to 44-year age group will now have Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's photograph instead of Prime Minister Modi, as the vaccines are procured by the state. Remember, during assembly elections, the TMC had written to Election Commission over removing Prime Minister Modi's image on vaccine certificates. So that's the latest. They had termed it as a poll code violation back then. And now what we see is that the new certificates in the ongoing vaccination drive will have Mamata Banerjee's image instead of Prime Minister Modi. For more on this, I'm joined by Tamal Saha on the broadcast. Tamal, thank you for joining us. Good morning to you. Significant development there, as we already know that there is an ongoing conflict going on, tussle going on between the Mamata Banerjee government and the centre over that cyclone meet. And now the latest is that Prime Minister's picture has been removed in the state's vaccination certificate, and now CM Mamata Banerjee has made an appearance on the vaccine certificates. Right, we seem to have some technical issues connecting with Tamal. We'll try and get that link back. So the latest controversy is that in West Bengal, the vaccine certificates will now have Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's pictures in place of Prime Minister Modi's images. Remember, this issue has also been a long-standing conflict between the centre and the Mamata Banerjee government. Remember, last assembly elections, TMC had written to Election Commission asking them to remove the Prime Minister's image, calling it a poll code violation. Okay, Tamal is back with us. Tamal, good morning. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Significant development there in West Bengal. Now all vaccine certificates will have Chief Minister's picture instead of Prime Minister Modi. Remember, this comes in the backdrop of that cyclone meet controversy, and this is the new development. Has there been any reaction from the BJP and the TMC?
Well, nothing from BJP as yet, and also nothing from Trinamool Congress. What you have been given to understand that the phase 3 vaccination drive in the state of West Bengal is undertaken purely by the state government, sponsored and of course procured by the state government, and thus they have claimed the ownership of the drive. In fact, in the past, we have seen as how Chief Minister had been critical of Prime Minister's picture being on the certificate, suggesting it's a vaccination drive, a vaccination which has been invented by a vaccine which has been invented by scientists. So their picture rightfully should be there on the certificate. However, this time around, since the state government and the central government had been on loggerheads on a whole host of issues, including that of vaccination, vaccine supply. Mind you, the state government had been demanding that central government prioritizes procurement of vaccine, centralized procurement of vaccine, and also distribution of vaccine for free to the people of India. Now, in context of that, given the fact there has not been much response from the central government as per the state government, thus they have decided to go ahead and renew the certificate look and replace the picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with that of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, because it's a vaccination drive undertaken by the state government.